description.
Okay. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got YY chicken flavor. This is from Taiwan. It's part of a special series that I've been doing called Meet the Manufacturer. I used to do a lot more of these, and I decided, you know, I need to start doing this again. There are pros and cons to it. The pros are, you know, I get to find out a lot about a country or a company and different things about their country of origin. And the pros are that, and the cons are I have to do. Mind you, I don't have to, but this is how I've had it set up for years, is I've got to do up to 15 reviews in a row of the same company. And that can get a little old towards the end. Honestly, it's been a while. I've done these back to back before, and not this time. This is the first one in a long time, but yeah, I haven't gotten bored with this one yet. And I usually try to save ones that I'm like particularly interested in to the last, and that's what's going on today. The one that was packaged like this that I tried previously, it was a vegetarian masala flavor, and it was really quite good. And this one, I'm guessing, is going to be quite good as well. And of course, you can watch it boil. It's funny, they've got different, you can have this different ways. You can eat it as a snack, you can eat it by steeping the noodles, or you can prepare it by cooking, like I'm doing right now. And this particular way of preparing it, they're calling lunching it. You can snack it, or lunch it. I think that was the three. But these are from Nepal. And yeah, very cool. I want to thank the folks over at CGYY again. Or actually, I guess it's just CG. They've got different brands. The next one I'll be doing is from their another range that they have, but YY is the most probably well-known of their ranges of products. So yeah, it is Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. Yesterday was my son Miles' birthday. He had a happy birthday, he says. He turned 10. He scored, man. He got some good presents. Wow. A couple of them I'm like really jealous of. I wouldn't mind having them. But yeah. As you can see in the background, I need to take the recycling out. The recycling is like, I took it out yesterday, and then there was birthdaying, so of course you get a lot of cardboard and boxes. So that needs to go out today. I got returns to do. And I don't know if on this one or coming up, I did a lot of video of birds, like a lot. And I took my tripod and put it like right up to the bird feeder and did slow motion stuff. So I shoot the video at 240 frames per second, and then I slow it down to 12.5%, which makes it 30 frames per second. But it's a lot. It's like what, 1/8 speed of normal, but it's smooth. So it's pretty cool. I think it is. Just watch the birds doing their bird stuff. Always an enjoyable thing. So yeah, cooking. I think I'll turn that off for now because we're almost landing on doneness. So there's our 3 minutes of cooking. So chicken time. Curiosity. And here's our noodle wrap. All right, cheers. Noodles kind of a little chew, but mostly a soft affair here. There's some broth and noodle. A salty, spicy chicken flavor. That's good. I like that one. I gotta say, of the whole set of them that I've tried, I think, honestly, my favorite has been that vegetarian masala. That was really good. There have been others in there. They've all been enjoyable. I will say that. They've got a nice, consistent enjoyability factor, I guess you'd call it. We'll drop in some chicken I just sauteed. Scallion. So I took a day off for my boy's birthday yesterday, and so I have these eggs that I marinated, and I'm hoping they didn't go too long. I think we'll be all right. It also may be that in Nepal they might not marinate them. They might just be regularly hard-boiled, and that's that. I don't know, but I have marinated eggs, so that's what I'm using. And we're gonna go with a little bit of seed. I keep remembering, or forgetting to remember. I need to get more of. I'm running low on sesame seed. Okay, and a little bit of crushed red pepper, and I'm gonna leave that in one spot. And let's watch it spin around as it does every morning. Except for yesterday. You know. All right, so the next one you're going to see is this. How long do you go for? For 3 minutes. Okay. This is another range of CG, or one of their ranges. This is Soul Tea. I believe it means companion or friend. And this is asparagus flavor instant noodles. And I just sauteed asparagus earlier for the first time in my life. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miles. Happy birthday.